Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joachim and I am from Sweden, and this is my Nissan 350Z that I've had for 7 years, I think. It was a bone stock 350Z when I got it. So far I've done carbon-ish splitter in the front as well as sides and the diffuser. It got some eBay spec headlights. Of course a Rocket Bunny lookalike. It's not a true Rocket Bunny. No, I won't recommend anyone to get a true Rocket Bunny. I spent so many hours on getting this to be good, but it's still not good, so I definitely don't recommend anyone to buy a fake kit. I have XXR 526 wheels in the front, also in the rear, but here in the front we have 20" by 11" rims with 285s on it. In the rear we have, they are widened by 3", so they are 20" by 14", and I'm running 345s in the rear. Also Hancock tires. I have threadwear from Deck Design. It's a Swedish company who sells threadwear. Also I have custom DRLs in the Rocket Bunny front. And as you may see, I have underglow, which is also RGB, so I can choose the color. I also have custom slotted brake discs. I can post a picture of them somewhere here around. Here inside the car we don't have so much going on, but I do have a custom handmade steering wheel. I made RGB lighting for my gauge faces, as well as all the buttons in the car and my shift knob. And also I've started to started the project of putting a Samsung tablet in the center console. It's a 10" tablet, so it will be kind of a Tesla style center console. On that I will be controlling both music, I will be controlling my air ride, and I will be controlling the lights. I also have a Rolls-Royce styled headliner with fiber optics, also RGB, but I haven't hooked it up yet. The fiber optics are there, but the LED driver is not there. Here are my rear wheels, the 14" wide ones. I have about 8 inches here before the center comes. The taillights are stock taillights. I just opened them up and put 2 LED strips inside, and these are from eBay. They have parking light, brake light, turn signal, as well as reverse light. And this is my diffuser. Not very much, broken right now, so I will make a new one, but that's not yet. We have other plans before. And my battle arrow wing. I've had it for 2 years, almost 3 years, as well as the Rocket Bunny replica. So I was running 1 year without being able to access my trunk. So I got a plan. I bought an electric actuator, one that's capable of around 100 kilos moving and over 200 kilos force when it's in standstill. So I hooked it up to my trunk. You have to help it a little bit in the beginning, then it's on its own. and then you can access the trunk without a problem. As well as it's coming back again. This is a 19-liter air tank for my air suspension. I'm running K-Sport bags with a V-air compressor, a no-name tank, a no-name air block, and a home-built air management system. I'm running Land Rover height sensors in all four corners and an Arduino Mega to read all the values from the height sensors and control the air block. I also have a air hose connected right up to my air tank. It's 10 meters for using the air tools if I need to blow it dry after I washed it or something. Very useful. I have Audison EP1 sound processor and 3 DLS amplifiers for the sound system, which have 2 10-inch subwoofers here, one here and one over there, with a compartment for detailing bags in the middle. And now for the part that started this channel. This is a Tesla badge. This car has right now its VQ engine still in it, but it will get a Tesla performance drive unit fitted in the rear. I don't have the drive unit as we speak. I went to get one, but it was the wrong one. It was the small one, so I'm heading back to swap it out for the performance drive unit. As I said, this car will have a Tesla drive unit in the rear. It's a performance drive unit which is capable of around 500 horsepower to the wheels, and I think that will be enough to kick this off. To power the motor, I will probably use a BMW i3 battery pack. They are around 40 kilowatts if you go for the newest one, so I will have around 200 kilometers of range. I will try my best to make this as informative as possible, so anyone can see these videos and be able to make their own EV conversions, because I think it's pretty cool, and there aren't much information that you can find on the internet of how to make it. As well as I will cover the regulations of how to make a street legal car in Europe, since this will be driven on the roads. I will also make it street legal. I hope you found this video interesting and that you want to be a part of my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, just write down below, and just like, share and subscribe if you want to. See you!